Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again, and today we're going out into the field to do some inspections on some of our existing accounts that are either in production or have been recently completed. I hope you'll enjoy it today. Come on along. Good afternoon. Michael Mazarang here again today, and here we're at a house in Spartanburg, South Carolina, looking at one of our existing installs. Today we are inspecting an Atmox system. It was installed in 2017, and so we're here late in 2019 and inspecting the system. Any type of crawl space moisture system should be inspected here and there. Sometimes, folks will do an inspection each year, or you can do every other year, perhaps. It depends on the situation, how much equipment's being operated. This home, this customer called in 2017. They originally had a sealed system where every one of these vents was sealed off from the inside. It was encapsulated, and unfortunately, the liner was off-gassing an odor that they reported when they bought the home, and we were called in at the time to investigate that odor. So this system was deployed to bring in fresh air into the home to augment this encapsulation and to be able to get rid of that smell. The pool, some people call it the pool liner smell or the cat urine smell, but anyways, that's been taken care of, and ever since the system's been deployed, that odor has been gone, but also still retaining the sealed qualities of the original install, but also injecting the abundance of outside air into this environment to A, take the pressure off the dehumidifier, and B, to be able to get the air quality of this home through the stacking effect, which originates down in the crawl space. This fresh air system, why not use the outside air when it's available? As you can see, this is a triple intake fan that we installed in 2017, and we've inspected all the equipment today, and the fan is operating at peak efficiency. As you can see here, this fan is of course running here, and we'll take a wood moisture reading today just to verify system performance. And as we can see here, yeah, we have wood moisture levels of under 8%, so very dry crawl space, and without having to run the supplemental dehumidifier that we see over here. You can run the system with a dehumidifier, as the encapsulation that was originally installed certainly relied on this piece of equipment 24/7 for moisture control, but by allowing the assistance of outside air, we can extend the lifespan of this dehumidifier by many years. The warranty on this unit, and it's a good unit, is for 5 years, so it's still well inside its warranty, but I would anticipate getting as much as 10 or more years out of this piece of equipment. So the encapsulation company did a pretty good job on this end cap back in the day. Walls have been insulated, and this 20 mil liner was deployed at the time, and here we see one of our dead corner fans. A little bit of dust has accumulated over the 2 years, but the system is still running, and we bring in the air from the left side of the house, move it across to the right side of the house, and you can see here the exhaust fans. Still operating as designed, and what we found, the Atmox system is pretty robust. So some of the older accounts that date back to the early 90s, the fans are still running today. So we certainly expect continued high performance and a relatively low long-term operating cost for the system. And as you can see here, this fan is we're still operating on the outside air today, which is great because it's really nice outside. It's a mild winter day with the low dew point, so we want as much of this cool dry air into the crawl space as much as we can, and that way we don't have to run that dehumidifier. The dehumidifier probably won't be needed until next May. So certainly, it's important for us to visit these accounts and to be able to review the system. And when the primary fans are working, it runs on a factor of low voltage, which is a power savings to this customer. And we certainly want to continue to offer that benefit to the customer, and stop by, at least, if not once a year, every other year, to review this program. And things look pretty good in here. Everything's running. Another feature that we have with the Atmox system is it has a sump alarm, and there's a foundation drainage system under this liner. And what we've done, instead of this battery operated alarm here, this is a sump alarm. So this is wired directly into the Atmox controller, or the B box, which is here. And so if there's a trouble with the sump pump, then this system will trip, and we'll know that there's active water or a plumbing leak here in the crawl space. So we're happy to be able to provide that as an additive to the system. And certainly the system does many other things too that customers can take advantage of. So yeah, we certainly appreciate you joining us today, where we're actually doing an annual maintenance inspection on an existing account, and so that folks can kind of see what an encapsulation is, what a controlled ventilation system is, and also what the crew does to maintain the system. To check all the components, wiring, and make sure every fan is individually checked for performance, so that we can maintain peak performance of the system. And as you can see here today, on the exterior, you can't really see where the fan locations are. The footprint is very minor. You can see that's where one of the intake fans are. And so this system, all the other vents are closed and sealed to maintain peak performance on a closed system. But we have the abundance of the outside air when we need it, when we've got good opportunity for air exchange, and continue to bring this homeowner excellent air quality, as well as an advanced, very green way of doing moisture control in a crawl space, and of course keeping the cost of operating the system low. So yeah, if you have any questions about an Atmox system or controlled ventilation, or sealed crawl space systems, encapsulations, certainly we'd appreciate a call. And you can reach us at the number at the bottom of your screen, or visit our website. So we look forward to talking with you, and appreciate you visiting with us today in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Hope you have a good weekend. Take care. See you on the next one.